Hello dear traders, I'm Maria Staradop and this is the review of crypto analytics from FX.co. It's the 24th of March today, Friday, and in our today's review, many US politicians oppose the introduction of the central bank digital currency and what is happening with Bitcoin and Ethereum after the Fed's meeting. And we will start with an article by Sebastian Seligam. And as usual, some news first. Now news is from the US, where the introduction of the central bank digital currency by the US authorities raises many controversies and fears among citizens, but also politicians. And many people openly oppose the introduction of this type of asset due to the fact that it will be directly controlled by the US Federal Reserve, and this in turn gives the authorities direct access to control the movement of citizens, their spending, and conduct in relation to their surveillance. And among the senators who do not hide their criticism of the idea is a representative of the Republicans, Ted Cruz, who introduced a bill that seeks to block the introduction of a central bank digital currency by the Fed. The politician justifies his action with the fear that the American central bank may use direct supervision of the digital dollar to spy on citizens. And he received much support from his Republican colleagues, among those Senators Mark Brown of Indiana and Chuck Grassley of Iowa, and some others. And the fact that the scale of the problem regarding CBDC in the United States is really large is evidenced by the ever-growing number of politicians who oppose the Federal Reserve on this issue. Okay, and now let's get to technical picture, another article also by Sebastian Seligam and Bitcoin. Okay, let's have a look at the chart. So Bitcoin American dollar pair has made a new swing high at the level of 28,878 and reversed 7% after the Fed interest rate decision hit the financial markets. And the local low was made at the level of 26,650 so far, but the midterm sentiment of the whole cryptocurrency market is bullish and higher levels are still possible. The momentum on the time frame chart is neutral. After the drops of the resumption of the uptrend is still on the table as long as the level of 23,926 is not clearly violated. And please notice, Sebastian warns that the market keeps trading above the 50-100 moving average on the 4-hour time frame chart with strong and positive momentum. The short-term outlook for Bitcoin remains bullish. Okay, let's have a look at the chart for the moment. It's the 24th of March, and again we see a significant rise in Bitcoin yesterday in the midday from points 27,600, 500. It rose above 28,000 to 28,500, 600. It added almost $1,000. It opened today at the point 28,345 and now it is trading at the point 28,342. Okay, so probably, yes, the market is bullish and probably the Bitcoin is moving to new highs. We will see. Anyway, it's for sure not trying to go lower. And now let's get to Ethereum and another article by Ralph Shedlam. Okay, Ethereum American dollar moves somehow sideways in the short term, and it seems undecided. It was trading at the point 1754 at the time of writing. It was yesterday's evening. And after its strong growth, a short-term retreat was natural. The price could try to test and retest the immediate support levels before developing a new bullish momentum. Technically, the bias remains also bullish and further growth is still in cards. Technically, Ethereum is still trapped between 1846 and 1706 levels. Escaping from this pattern could bring new long opportunities. The bias remains bullish as long as it stays above the median line of the ascending pitchfork. Ethereum failed to stay below the weekly pivot point 1734, signaling strong upside pressure. So a false breakdown below the median line and through 1706 should announce a new bullish momentum. This is seen as the first buying opportunity. Also, a new higher valid breakout above 1846 validates further growth towards the upper median line. Okay, let's have a look at the chart for the moment. And also we see the same significant rise yesterday's midday. Ethereum from the points 1750 went up. It reached 1834, then slightly retreated, and it opened today at the point 1816, and now it is trading at the point 1815. So it is really close to break out of a new higher high at the point of 1846. It is really close to the mark, so the momentum is also bullish on the chart. Okay, this is all for today. We'll see each other in our next review on Monday. I wish you a successful weekend and profitable trading, and until next time.